Hello there. In this video, I will show you how to share profile scan code on Instagram. So for this, let's open the app. Click on your profile in the right bottom corner. And here you will find this share profile option. Click on it. As you click, so there you have three options. You can share your profile on different social media directly. Then you can also copy the link and then you can open the WhatsApp or Facebook and then you can directly send your profile link to your friends, or you can download this scan code. You can download it as save image or you can download it as PDF with including background. So let's save this image. Now the image is saved. Let me show you in my gallery. As you can see, now you can simply share it on WhatsApp or any other social media platform. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.